What's going on, guys? We are going to put the Simrad, Lowrans, and B&G interface for our Yamaha engine, so we have our gauges on our GPS. It's pretty easy to do. We already have command link gauges in our boat, so we already have a bus bar in the console, so it's pretty simple. Here's the kit. This is what comes in the kit. It comes with a T and the cord. You put the T into your NEMA 2000, and then you hook this plug into the bus bar that's inside the console here. So here's our NEMA system. Take the T, we plug it into here, screw it in, and we take another part, plug it in here, like so. We need to put a terminator on that other end, but that'll be another day. And then we just take this end and we put it right here in this open port into a device. This will plug right in a device. I have my gauges already here. I have one open, so I'll put this right here, like so. And now we're ready to interface. Ready? So we got our machines on. We're gonna come over here to settings. We're gonna scroll down to network, go to sources, and we're gonna hit auto select. This is gonna pick up the interface. Complete. Now we're going to go to device list. There it is, it's showing up. It's these right here. These are the gauges, and that is the interface there. Click on it, see the data. And here is all our data. There's what I got for hours on my Yamaha, and here's everything. So to see this, go to here, and you could set up any kind of page on here. You could play with this. So it's even showing me how much fuel I have left because I have an interface with my gauges already. Check that out. Pretty cool. And look, I'll pop it over. There are my RPMs. So now, guys, I got my chart up and I got my data bar, which is nice. Is now I could put whatever I want here. I got fuel economy now here, and I also have my engine hours, so I know how many hours I have on my motor and all that. You could build this on whatever you want. You want fuel economy, you want voltage, oil pressure, all that. You name it, you could do it. It's really, I just found something new that I didn't realize that by doing this, I didn't realize that my fuel gauge was going to show up on my GPS. So that's pretty cool. When I go back here, I got my fuel gauge. I'm at 33%, which is really cool. I didn't know that. And I got trim. So the reason why I mainly did it was because my gauges, the buttons aren't really working at all on them anymore. And the screens are starting to go out. And also it's nice to just look at one screen. You could do this pretty inexpensively. Instead of replacing gauges, if you got the stuff, you could hook them all up. The kit, this thing I think is about 108 bucks. If you already have NEMA 2000, that's great. If you need NEMA 2000, that's another 100 bucks. So if you're doing it yourself, you're looking about 200 bucks to get gauges in your Simrad or Garmin. You could do this on too. With us, it costs you about 200 bucks in materials if you don't have NEMA, and then about an hour and a half of labor, depends on the job and all that. So for 500 bucks or under, you could possibly do this. So give us a shout, let us know. Thanks, guys.